In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions or subtitles to your video for free using Clipchamp. Now, Clipchamp is an online video editor which is owned by Microsoft. They have both free and paid plans, but everything I show you in this video will be done online using their free plan. So what you need to do is you need to go to Clipchamp. So just type it in on Google or just go to app.clipchamp.com. Now you are going to need to create a free account on this, but it is going to be able to log in with your Microsoft account. So log in and you'll then be on the dashboard. Here, go to create a new video from scratch. Then you can upload your media. So go upload media and upload the video you want to caption. For me, I'll just upload a very short and simple tutorial video. So once you've added the media, you need to drag it onto the timeline and then here you should see it. Now what we're going to do, we're going to then click on the media. Make sure it's selected, then go to captions in the top right hand corner. What you can do then is click on try now and you can select your language, then click transcribe media, and then it's going to generate captions. Okay, so here is the transcript, here are the captions. You can go through this and change it if anything's not right. And as you click through it, you'll be able to see it on the screen. Now, if you want to edit this, you want to click on the caption, you can move the location of the captions. So I'm going to put this in the middle. And I'm also going to change the font and the color. So I'm going to change the font here to something a little bit more visually pleasing. And what I'm going to do is we're going to go to advanced and I'm going to get rid of this horrible outline and change the color here to black. Okay, so now we've got some pretty normal looking captions and this is going to update all of the captions. So just make sure that all of your captions can be seen and they're in a good place for your video. Now, once you've done that, you can go export in the top right hand corner and you can then export your video in 1080p and you can just save this. You need to select a folder where you want to download this to. You can save it to OneDrive, Google Drive, you can upload straight to YouTube, or if you wait for this to process, you'll be able to just download it to your computer. But that's been how you can add captions to any video for free. I hope you use this and I hope it is helpful.